Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I know it's been a little bit. I try to be more current, but um, had a few issues with the car. I replaced the gasket and the VTEC solenoid and the PCV valve. So you can see here. Oh, my flashlight's not on. That's all right. It's in there. Um, yeah. I was riding around with my I ride around with wrenches. Oh my goodness. Somebody didn't take them? Wow. Okay. But anyway, um, looking at my uh, motor mount, and it looks like it's almost touching the motor mount, but I'll fix that. No worries. I got a new battery. I still need a new holder. Kind of whack. Looks like I'm missing a bolt there somehow. Yeah, as you can see, it's a work in progress. Uh, try to tackle the 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 this thing here, power steering. Um, yeah. So see what I can do there. Um, yeah, I got to do CAD on it, of course, like I mentioned before. Um, I mean, no codes right now. I might get a new alternator. It's a work in progress. Think I don't really drive it that much. So I might be getting a new gig, so I don't really drive it that much. Just work on it. Just drive it. Maybe just my kids back and forth to school, just to keep it, just to keep the battery going. Keep the battery not not drained or whatever. But I gotta figure out what's going on with that power steering. It looks ugly. Yeah, but work in progress. I want to get a new radiator, new condenser, by before it gets hot. It's still 70 out. It's still kind of hot, but this doesn't look good. It's wobbly. Yeah, it's a work in progress. I might just, if I get a new motor, swap everything over, put the new motor in. Probably need new timing, chain. I don't know if the serpentine belt. No. Doesn't feel that grippy. How do you do one of those? So, it's a lot of work. I don't know if it's worth it, but I guess I'll just keep going. Yeah, but yeah, as you can see, I was gonna try to repaint it as well. They're just money pitting it, but that's all I got right now. I'm trying to, unless I resell it. So I kind of like it now. I'm getting used to doing things with the car now. So, but yeah, that's my progress update on this thing. Um, and it's doing all right so far. And no codes. I mean, I checked the codes after I was finished. So I guess good so far. All right, guys. I mean, that's my progress update. Um, Been working on it behind the scenes, as you can see. Um, yeah, it just looks old. It's 18-year-old car, so just looks old. This kind of like helps a little bit. Um, I'm gonna clean out the throttle body. Uh, just trying to get it to look a little bit better. Maybe a new alternator look nice. Um, yeah. So let's go ahead and check this power steering out. Let's see what I can do here. Flashlight. Is there a flashlight on? I guess I can't put it on. Alright, anyway, I don't know. So, yeah. Alright, that's my update for now. And I'll keep you updated on the build if you have any suggestions or better ideas. Maybe just resell it. Yeah. If you have any ideas, let me know and I'll consider it. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, all that stuff, like everybody else says. And see you in the next one. Alright? Never quit, never give up. Keep progressing. Alright. Have a good night. Good week, guys. Happy New Year.